guys, we got Mr. Jeff here. He drove all the way from Mississippi and he came to pick up this 550. It's a double seater. And how do you like the purchase, Mr. Jeff?
I like his purchase very well. It was quick, straight to the point, and the cheapest around.
Thanks a lot, sir. We do have the super deals going on, and he's gonna take it for a spin and let's watch how it flies, guys. So that's the can. It also comes in black, red, and also in the army green. The can is the most popular color, so this stands out.